It is not the strongest of species, but the most adaptable that survives. And the life sciences industry requires adaptation from its commercial operations. As competition among brands amplifies, reps' visibility diminishes, and customers are lost. Put it all together, and it'll take contextual, actionable, and personalized insights to survive. Commercial teams that realize this are already adapting. Are you? ZAIDYN Customer Engagement Solutions use AI to make intelligent recommendations to help field and marketing teams build better engagement strategies. Backed by 40 years of life sciences industry leadership, our solutions provide new customer insights to reach the right audience at the right time using dynamic targeting, increase commercial operational efficiency using recommendations for next best actions from our trusted orchestration engine, create personalized experiences across brands and geographies by understanding each HCP's preferences and needs, and build successful omni-channel marketing programs that outperform the competition. Are you ready to adapt and increase customer engagement? Together, we'll transform your future with ZAIDYN. To learn more, visit zaidyn.com/customer.